Hello everyone, this is Valerie Scott from Glass Online. Today we're speaking to Antonio Mazzaroppi from Mazzaroppi, the company he is the owner of. Good morning, Antonio.
Good morning.
Could you give me an idea of the history of Mazzaroppi and how the family decided to produce furnaces for tempering, bending and laminating?
Our history is starting with my father, Giuseppe Mazzaroppi. He was a real visionary and pioneer of the tempering glass machinery, and sooner became a leading figure in this field. He started the business with the production of a vertical tempering machine and the bending and tempering machine. Mazzaroppi is family story. In fact, my father mixed up the family and the company. In this way, I was completely normal to me, joining the business since I was a boy. At the end of the 80s, specifically, I started to build and test the first model of horizontal tempering machines. This innovation became the turning point of the Mazzaroppi company. The business grew up quickly, and a lot of specialized technicians and engineers joined the Mazzaroppi staff to increase the performance of our machine and making us a future-oriented company. However, we don't forget our origins and our family cultural heritage. In fact, in 2019, my son Federico joined then even the third generation of Mazzaroppis. Now I want to introduce you Mr. Michele Spano. Michele is the technical assistance engineer.
We're now speaking to Mr. Michele Spano from Mazzaroppi. Michele, how does a company thrive and grow through decades of technology developments and in an increasingly competitive market?
Making exceptional product, experimenting, innovating, patenting, and never compromising on quality are essential requirements, but it's not enough. We believe in the importance of cultivating a special relationship with each customer, not by focusing only on the single sale, but looking for partners who will share decades of history with us. Our machinery is designed to last from 20 to 30 years, often even longer, and we are committed to provide assistance to our customers at any time or as long as our products are in use. We are always at their disposal with our technical support. We listen to the feedback and suggestions, and we strive to make each generation product and more suited to the needs of our clients. Our services will continue to evolve and adapting to the needs of our customers and their problems and successes. Turning every new customer into a lifelong business partner is an integral part of our philosophy. We have clients with whom we have been working for over 30 years. That's why we pay particular attention to after-sales support and customer care. All of our machines are remotely connected to our operation center, where specialized technicians are able to respond to the customer needs and monitor each single machine. Furthermore, in case of breakdown or anomalies, we will be ready to intervene immediately on-site all over the world if it is required.
My next question is about your compact furnaces, which are your new generation of furnaces. What are the main characteristics there?
We designed the TP Compact, thinking of all the small and medium-sized glass factories that would like to have their own furnace, but don't have such a production that can justify the purchase of massive large tempering furnaces. That's why most of the small-sized glass makers outsource the tempering process, losing the control of this process, but most importantly, they lose the control of the timing and the quality of the final product. The TP Compact can also be accessible to these companies thanks to its small size and its average consumption about 100 kilowatts per hour. Thanks to our continuous development, we achieved a further 30% energy saving compared to the previous model. It makes the payback period of the machine shorter than before, thanks to a haircut of production costs, the fixed cost, and not to mention the initial cost of the electrical infrastructure. Thanks to our mold machine and high quality of materials, our ovens reach the operating temperature of 680 degrees in 60 minutes at the first ignition and 30 minutes in the following next sections. This will allow the possibility to turn it off every night and over the weekend, turning it back on once needed, rather than wasting money on electricity that wouldn't help to increase the production. These solutions make it possible to eliminate the cost of keeping to temperature the furnace and make it the TP compact not only convenient but also more sustainable than any other tempering machines available on the market.
The TP Compact is produced in 3 standard sizes: 1.3 meter for 2.6, 1.3 meter up to 3.6 meter, and 1.6 meter for 3.6 meter. In the entire installation process, managed by our team, lasts at maximum 15 days. This period of time includes the training taught by our staff that the client will need to use the machine safely and effectively. Our product can handle any glass thickness between 3.8 mm and 19 mm and can temper any type of flat glass. Float, reflective, enamel, silk screened and processed, including low emissivity glass, even the latest generation up to 0.01 emissivity, and without getting a headache doing so. We invite you all, our customers and those who are not yet, to come and visit us during the Vitrum Fair 2021 taking place in Milan from the 5th to 8th of October. We will present and preview the new generation of compact furnaces, and we're going to temper glasses during the fair, showing you all how easy to use is our machine and how low is the energy consumption it needs. Take care and see you soon in Milan.